Now we are going to the last and final session of the day. I would like to request Director General Mr. Birendra Mishra to come to the dais, and Chair of the Day, President, Internet Society Nepal Chapter, Birendra Kumar Mishra. Earlier today we had some questions for the government representative, and there are some questions and remarks from the government side, so I would like to request Director General, Department of Information and Technology, Birendra Mishra. Yes, sir.
Thank you. Mr. Chairman and distinguished guests, media persons, ladies and gentlemen, participants. First, I would like to express my sincere gratitude to the Internet Society Asia Pacific Bureau and Internet Society Nepal for providing me such an opportunity and organizing this event. I feel very clear to share, to know about the event, and that is very interesting here. We found that it is ultimately, as the Secretary MOSTE, Dr. Somlal Suredi, has said that this is the destination of Internet. Actually, if the content, just I would like to share the experiences was just 2 weeks before I visited to Kabre, a village where there is infrastructure. I think that time CIT has place, but that is partially running. I found, and why is it not running effectively? There is, I found content is, we are talking the content. Actually, we could not find the content in place, and local content especially. Actually, first we think about the infrastructure, that is a challenging, but more challenging is the contents, and the more and more challenging task is usability of that contents. So if first planning is infrastructure, to place infrastructure is the right step, but we have to think, government has to think, and DYT also have some discussion and brainstorming last month, that what sort of contents we have to provide that would be easily usable by the local remote people, rural people. So we have to think about the sector, education sector, health sector, agriculture sector, like cooperative, but the people, if we provide the content in English, they cannot read. Even if we provide the contents in Nepali, they cannot read. So we have to think in which mode we have to provide the contents. The most appropriate is for the rural people is audio or video. They can easily understand. For this, they do not need to read even Nepali. So we are thinking that what sort of level, what sort of document that could be in audio, what sort of document that is in video, and what sort of document that is in Nepali or in local language. So this is the more challenging part. Another is usability, that is awareness. If the contents is the right that is needed by the local people, if the contents they can understand and they can apply in their own life, then the demand creation from the root level comes, and then the program will be successful. I believe that. So the DUIT is going to implement this way, and other things I just like to .np CCTLV country code top level domain. So DOIT is now formulating for this policy that how it will be promoted, how will it be managed effectively. The other things that government of education has budget like 1 billion for the school. Actually, the government on the behalf of government, actually I could not tell about the education ministry, but DOIT can coordinate that every school should have the IT literate teacher or IT trained teacher. If I found also in the cabinet that one teacher is well trained, so they are maintaining the computer and they are operating the computer and they are doing the like a local area network. But they do not have like efficient system, and when they would like to like download some documents, but they do not have a sufficient bandwidth. They cannot, so they are irritating for this one also. So I think Manohar sir repeatedly telling about the infrastructure. That is the right step. The government is going to set up the infrastructure and the content development, and the other is awareness program. This is the government, I think we also understand, and I am now I'm the head of the IT in the government sector. So this is my also responsibility. I am serious for this issue, and I assure that I will do according to my capacity. Thank you.